So guys, umalis tayo dito 3:22 no. 8644. Yun ang ating time. Okay, so magpapagas muna tayo no. Gas mode tayo muna guys. Gas mode, gas mode. Gas mode, gas mode.